In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach files to Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in and looking at your inbox, so everything you need is available on the main screen. Next, go to the top left corner and click the Compose button. This opens a new message window where you can create an email. You can leave the recipient and subject blank for the moment if you are just practicing, because the attachment process works the same either way. Now look at the bottom toolbar of the new message window. This is the row of small icons used for common email actions. You will use this toolbar anytime you want to add something to your message, like a file. In that toolbar, click the paperclip icon. The paperclip is the Attach Files button. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear. This window lets you browse files on your computer. In the pop-up, navigate through your folders to find the file you want to send. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct file. If your file is saved in a specific location, such as a project folder or your downloads folder, open that folder until you can see the file. Once you find it, click the file to select it. You should see the file name become highlighted, which confirms it is selected. Then click the Open button in the bottom right of the pop-up window. This tells Gmail to upload the file and attach it to your email. After you click Open, the pop-up will close and the upload will begin automatically. Now wait for the blue progress bar at the bottom of the email to disappear. This progress bar shows that Gmail is still uploading your file. Larger files can take longer, especially on a slower connection, so let it finish before sending your message. Finally, verify that the file name appears in blue text at the bottom of your message. When you see the file name there and the progress bar is gone, your attachment is ready and included with the email. And that covers everything you need to know.